This is the best for local businesses. Now, I know I said maybe if you're a plumber, a one-page site would really make sense, but here when I'm talking about local businesses, I'm talking about if you're selling something, then you probably want to have some version of e-commerce tied into your business. You'll probably have a lot of products. You might want to track inventory, and a big benefit here is you'll probably also want to accept credit cards in your store. Not only accept credit cards, but distinguish between paying with cash and paying with credit card. And you could maybe, depending on your state and depending on your local laws, add a 3% credit card fee so that you don't end up paying for that on the back end. And so my recommendation here is actually using Shopify. It sounds strange. I know they're, like I said before, really heavily focused on e-commerce, but they can also be a fantastic local business website. So there is a point of sale terminal. The Square POS is what integrates with Shopify, and it works really well. Everything is seamless. All of your inventory is tracked on Shopify. You can take online orders if you wanted to. You could have online orders that are picked up in person, or you could do point of sale. Like if you're at a market or if somebody comes into your shop, they can purchase something right there, inventory's tracked, and you don't have to worry about going and taking inventory yourself. You can also, like I said, rank on Google very well, and there's a lot of different ways to accept payments, not just the point of sale. Apple Pay, Google Pay, credit cards online. There's a lot of options out there. So Shopify, super easy recommendation. We have tutorials on that down below.